Hello and welcome back to Adam Inca. Today we're discussing something that often gets overlooked until it's urgently needed: the emergency fund. Whether you're facing unexpected repairs or sudden changes in income, having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Let's explore why you need one and how you can start building it today. In its simplest form, an emergency fund is money you've set aside for life's unexpected events. This isn't for holidays or planned purchases, it's for those unforeseen moments that life throws at us. Think of it as a financial safety net, redundancy, illness. Why is it so crucial? Well, without it, any surprise expense could push you into debt. The fund can cover medical bills, home repairs, and help you stay afloat if you lose your job. It's not just a buffer, it's peace of mind. So, how much is enough? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. It's a target that provides a solid financial cushion, but start with a smaller achievable goal if that seems daunting. Say £1,000 and build from there. Building your fund needn't be overwhelming. Start by setting a monthly savings goal. Even small amounts add up over time. In fact, on my bank account, every time I spend money, it rounds up to the nearest pound and puts it into my savings account. Voila, emergency fund. Cut back on non-essential expenses, sell items you no longer use, or even start a side hustle. And remember, your emergency fund should be easily accessible. Consider a savings account separate from your current account to avoid temptation. We've got some tips to make saving easier. Automate your savings, so a small portion of your income goes directly into your emergency fund. Treat it like a fixed expense, as non-negotiable as paying the rent. Similar to what I mentioned earlier, where it rounds it up, but this one, like if you're putting into a personal pension, you're dedicating to putting a certain amount of money in every month. Start with as little as £10. What's affordable for you? So there you have it. Building an emergency fund is a crucial step in taking control of your financial health. Start small, be consistent, and watch your safety net grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Adam Inca for more practical financial advice.